Welcome to the heart of Europe. Welcome to Berlin.
Hi, I'm Alyssa and I know all the city's best secrets.
With my best companion, Vespa Elettrica, I will show you around.
Let's go catch the sound of Berlin.
Where the history of yesterday meets the stories of tomorrow. Let's get inspired.
Do you like art? Berlin is a sanctuary for creativity and contemporary art. Come follow me.
The KINH Gallery is home to the most innovative artists. Here they can find a new way to express themselves. This is the place where I always find my inspiration.
Maybe because this used to be a church. Crazy, right? Culture is great, but fashion for me, it's the best. Let's go shopping!
If I say Berlin, maybe you don't think of fashion.
But it's not what it seems. Be surprised.
Here it's all cool, in every sense. There are many concept stores in Berlin.
It's a city must. Yes, that's me. This is gonna be perfect for tonight.
Berlin is full of awesome places and events. There's always something new around, every day.
And every night too. This is my favorite time, the time of music. Can you feel the beat? The beat of Berlin. What a day and what a night. Together with Vespa Elettrica. Do you want to try it too? Come visit us at the pop-up store at the Mall of Berlin until May Saturday 25 and enjoy the sound of Europe.